very happy Nandita relinquishes her position as the president of Mid-City. Happy that she has no longer to manage anything important of the club. Over to Rajiv, who has no clue of things coming his way. He has a brilliant team in mind. However, the club trainer, or maybe the club trainer, has sinister plans.
Finally, I am president. An opportunity I can use for whatever I want to do. I don't know why people have been thinking that they can't do anything. I have all the freedom now. You know, such stupid fellows, they're so much reluctant to become president. And these idiots also have some idiot called the club trainer. I don't think I require all that. I'm much better than all these fellows. Oh, hello, PK. Bijoy. Why are you wearing a cap and all this?
No, nowadays you don't know when crows will start shitting on your head.
Which crow and all that stuff. Oh, shit.
I told you.
But Rajiv is flummoxed at the situation he's in. He wonders whether every step of the way is going to be so hard. He always felt that the president is the easiest role in the Rotary Club. Was this the usual for all the past presidents? Is the club trainer going to make his life living hell? So many questions in his mind. Let's go down and watch the tamasha.
Is this going to be like this the whole year? I was thinking.
Thinking, very good. You do all the thinking. I will help you form this club, and we'll make this a great club.
No. What I mean is.
There's nothing to mean. Don't worry. There is, you have to think big, and only then you get a great club.
You got me wrong.
Correct. Every time you're wrong, you're correct.
Joyce, already.
Right, you're ready. Now then let us form this board, which it's, you must be having a lot of ideas to build a strong club, and its members as what makes this club strong.
Yes. Actually, the secretary.
Yes. The secretary, brilliant idea. That's a good place to start with. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking of a very strong, tough secretary, somebody who's efficient and not too old.
Yes.
Correct. Yes. In fact, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that there are a lot of old parts in this club. That's not true. I know there is one vibrant fellow who's very, very virulent and is the only man who's produced in this last 1 year.
Yes. I was thinking.
Kamvardhan?
Yes.
I know. We think alike. We'll make a brilliant team.
I was.
Yes, let's call him. Kamvardhan, this is PK, Prashant Kishore, Bijoy. I'm with the president. What's his name? Padiraji. You have made the secretary of the club, Kamvardhan.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Vijay. When I was on the board, I was called to do, that audit of that Kachur school, And when I did that, I was, they know, I know that these accounts, I can't say. Anyway, I know you say, I see.
Let's cut him off. I can tell you that he will take the boat to great heights. All the women love him. and he's a very productive person. He'll be an asset.
For club services, app or
App, what app? Yeah. You know, we should to upgrade our club. We should freely talk, openly discuss, and communicate. Thing. Only then it'll you get a good teamwork. And I think the Apple Guru fellow is a good chap. There, Anu.
oh, Apple Anu. Oh, I don't.
I don't. What are you do? You don't believe. See, this fellow first he said, he's a I don't man. I don't want to be president. And then he said, okay. Then he said, I don't want to be club service. Then he became club service. Then he said, I don't want to be, what was it? Rotarian itself. Even that, look at that fellow. But I think he's a good guy. I think we should go for him.
Hey, I think he's calling you again.
Thank God, I think he has chewed up his Apple. His gadgets are not working. No calls.
Yeah, I don't know. All his other gadgets also, most of the time won't work. Food?
Food is okay. The cardinal rule is not to mix rasgulla with gulab jamun. Apart from that, anything is okay.
But drinks?
Drinks, yeah, I know. So that's smart thinking, but drinks is the key to a mid-citizen's heart. And let me advise you, after the second drink, you give scotch. After that, you give local. Nobody will know. And that will be your biggest contribution to our mid-city.
The key difference I want to make is in the area of community services, where
Mayuri, none else. Good thinking. She's the best.
I am so happy to be made community services head. I never thought that Gadget Guru Anup would give that up in his life. What with his attachment to the teachers and the headmistress. Now I want to make Mogape School a fab.
India. All she thinks is of a Fab India, and now she wants to make the Mogape School like my Fab India.
I talked to Mayuri that.
Very good, excellent. That's exactly what we want. And like new building, additional teachers, then additional classrooms. What else? The whole budget will come to about 2 crores.
2 crores?
2 crores, small? No, we'll have 20 crores because you're an ambitious man. You have great plans. We'll make it 20 crores. Between us, we get it here.
20 crores?
Why not? 20 crores. Come on, Patu, not more than that. Then what will you, what the next president be forced to do? I know, you're worried about funds. I know your plan. You have some plan hidden. Kochukala. Now that look, I know that look of yours, and you have a plan where you're thinking what I'm thinking. Srija, one Sunny Leone dance from her, and you'll rake in all the bulla you want. And the possibilities are immense. You can charge it. Now it's all even online. You can charge per minute, charge per view. The possibilities are immense. Patu, go for it. And Patu, if the crowd gets uncontrollable, there is a plan. We can let loose our club singers. Everybody will run away. I'm sure you did not forget the treasurer.
Treasurer.
Treasurer, here you are, Mushkil Daga. Treasurer, of course, here you are, Mushkil Daga. Um, Treasurer, here you are, Mushkil Daga. ये दागा से बात कराना मुश्किल है, मुश्किल ही नहीं, मुश्किल दागा, ये दागा से बात कराना मुश्किल ही है, क्यों नहीं मुश्किल ही नहीं, दागा से बात कराना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है, ये दागा से बात कराना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. Your best bet. He will do all the work and he will say no opinions. Let's get it. I've already switched. Not to worry, Patu. It's a good connection. But when Mushkil Bhai comes there, he is also already frozen. Always frozen. But not to worry, all good. He is a very good man. And he is very, very efficient and very tight on money. Good choice.
A very important portfolio in today's time.
I
is
know, vocational. I know, I can read your mind. Mehta, you're thinking of? Well, let me get him. On second thoughts, I think we'll get a blank screen. Because the last time he came on this meeting, he came with a banyan. So we don't want to embarrass him also. So let us just wait.
For the first time, I agree with you.
Correct, President?
Unfortunately so.
I told you.
I'm thinking international.
There is no choice. Sometimes you have to choose people where if they fail, the failure will not be yours. In fact, this your Deepak will be the right choice. He has created such an iconic, image about himself. You remember he took us to one measly trip to Malaysia. We all paid, but who got the credit? He got. He's the right candidate. Give him a challenging role. Ask him to take us to Antarctica or somewhere, and that time he will fail. Then you will see.
Antarctica? COVID?
That we will see.
Shall we call him?
Who, that fellow? Bloody bore, yeah. You know, English. You know that fellow he put on an accent. He thinks he's next to Shashi Tharoor. And you know, that fellow is such a bloody bore. He will not stop talking, Anyway, we have to call him. As per Rotary protocol, we need a fellow like that, right? Let's call him.
Okay.
In my wide and rich experience of giving an exhilarating experience to the people of Rotary, I believe this time I should
I told you, this fellow, he's a bore. He'll go on and on with his English, and I think we should stop. Right? Hey, he's already frozen.
PK Joyce, who's going to be the community services head?
Hey, get a doctor. You have your Korean is there.
Yeah, good one. He's a
Get
good
him.
guy.
He must be somewhere. I'll get him.
Okay. Where is this guy?
Don't worry about him. I was told that he learned computers only after coming to Rotary. After he became secretary, or what was he? Something he was. Anyway, he must be hanging it because he might be even behind the camera or thinking that he is online.
He is very good, you know. He keeps on sending some dirty messages also these days now.
Oh, really? Oh my God. Anyway, but he will be a good. He must be hanging around somewhere. There.
There's only one more position, youth. Anyway, you as well selected. You have selected everybody. Go ahead. You have anybody in mind?
I know. I'll tell you. You have that youth-looking fellow, no? That Thomas.
Exactly.
Why don't you choose him? And one thing I advise you, please take him away from that writing that, what is that, E-Chakra.
Yeah, I agree with you. He keeps on asking for articles. I
I'm fed up.
You gave article?
Oh, many.
I escaped. Yeah, let us give him youth. You're going to call?
Okay, I'll call him.
No, please, don't. You asked for articles.
But Rajiv has no choice but to take over from Nandita Pandey and move ahead this Rotary year with these remarkable set of individuals as his new board. May God and the past presidents bless him and his team with the very best during this coming year, and pray to the Almighty that COVID does not deter his overambitious plans.
Ready? I know you're worried about funds. I know that. Yeah, look at it.
I told you.
Yeah.
You will say.
Trainer and all this kind of nonsense. ഇതേ പ്രായം
नामुमकिन है
എന്താണ് നാമുംകിൻ?
नामुमकिन
നാമുംകിൻ.
റെക്കോർഡിംഗ് ആണോ?
ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണം വെച്ചങ്ങ് നിർത്തണം വെരി ഈസി.